Here is the Toyota Corolla. Before we get started though, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory. Now let's go ahead and get started. Go ahead and pop the trunk. Now once the trunk is open, the process is the exact same for the right side and the left side. I'm just going to show you on the right side. Now there are two clips over there, one over there and the second one on the top. We need to get it out, so use your pair of pliers and just grab on the clip and pull it out straight, or you can use a flathead screwdriver like this and get the clip out halfway through and then just pull it out the rest of the way with just your fingers. Just like that, it comes out. Repeat the process for the second one and get that clip out as well. Now we can peel this cover back, and that's it. Now we can access the bulbs. The gray bulb holder, that's the one. What we have to do is just grab it and twist it left, loosen it. Yep, twist it left, and that's it. Now it's loose. Just pull it out and it should just come right out straight. Now to get the bulb out, just grab on the bulb and pull it out straight. You may have to wiggle the bulb and it may take a few seconds, so just be patient with it, but it comes out eventually. And there it is. This bulb has one filament inside it. The bulb size is right there on it, WY21W or 7440A. A is for the amber color. So get the new bulb, align it over there, push it in. Now let's put the bulb holder back in. When you do so, you have to make sure it's sitting in flush. When it sits in flush, you should not be able to see any other orange bulb from over here. So you may have to do some twisting and turning over there to get it to sit in like this. Once it sits like this, just twist your right to lock it in place. And that's it. Let's put this cover back in its place. Make sure it's tucked in properly. Make sure the holes over there on the cover are aligned. Get the one clip, align it, push it in to secure it. Repeat the process for the other one. And that is pretty much it. See how easy the process was? Hope you found it useful.